Hey there, South Jersey. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. As a coastal storm makes its way from the southeast coast and about 200 to 400 miles offshore of us, the winds will go up. And that starts with today. Here's our wind gusts for Tuesday morning, and I'll put this loop in motion. This is going all the way through until Sunday. We get these northeasterly winds that blow, and they continue to blow as we go throughout the period. And look at some of these gusts. We'll start it over for you again. We're talking about the 30s, but over a period of days here. And when you get that, you're talking about the risk for coastal flooding here. And we will see that for, it looks like it could be 8 high tide cycles. Now, it's not going to be today. We're expecting action flood stage. But as we go into Wednesday, we get minor flood stage. And Thursday is where I think it peaks. We get into, looks like one moderate coastal flooding stage. Might linger into Friday. We'll be optimistic for now and say minor, and we'll continue with the minor flood stage on Saturday until the winds start turning to the north and then to the north and west as we go into Sunday, draining out the bays as well as some of that water built up on the oceans. Now, when we talk about minor flood stage, we're talking about that nuisance kind of flooding, the flooding that we see many times a year here. We have seen more often, and we will see more often as well. Water goes up to the natural dune on the ocean side, and on the bay side, that first block or two of bayside roadways can have water on them. Now, when you get to moderate flood stages, that's when you start talking about the potential for property damage on houses that have no elevation to them. They're not built on stilts. And I know there's a lot of places in Atlantic City, even in Ventnor, that have that. Now, it's impossible to move in some spots just because the water is so deep in locations that you can carry your car away. And if you're not careful, lives may be at risk in moderate flood stage here across the area. Now, let's go to our bust out forecast here. No issues really. There could be a sprinkle. I wouldn't even bring the umbrella. If you see something, it's going to be light. Nothing you can't go through here. And we see winds north-northeast to the northeast at 8 to 14 miles an hour. Winds go up as we go further into the morning and into the daytime as well. Gusts around 30, though. They're sure they will be higher. Temperatures otherwise seasonable, and it will be a cloudy day. It's not the nicest looking day, but it's still a good day for any of your outdoor activities here. The only exception I would say is paving, because that's something you need 100% risk of no rain all throughout the day. But after school sports look good, outdoor exercise looks good, campfire looks good, kind of lawn, all looks good. Mainland 7-day forecast. We have that shower risk from Tuesday night all the way through Thursday. Then I think we're dry for Friday, but that winds continue all throughout the week. It's going to be a persistent wind just nagging at you here. Then we go into the weekend. We do clear out, and we do warm up a little bit into the 70s here once we get that sunshine. Even at the shore, we'll be at the 70s as we go into Sunday and Monday. But the bigger story here, minor to moderate coastal flooding likely for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday. We'll be talking more about the coastal flooding and the coastal storm on our social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMarkWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or you can find us at thepressofAC.com/weather.